Dear students, today I am going to solve some problems based on profit and loss of exercise 10A. And I think you are familiar with profit, loss, CP and SP. So, in exercise 10A, question number 1 and part 4th, find the gain or loss percent. Question number 1, part 1st. It is given that CP equal to 80, CP equal to rupees 80 and SP equal to rupees 76.8. Here CP is greater than SP, so there will be gain, loss. So there will be loss. And loss equal to CP minus SP. So 80 minus 76.80. It is equal to rupees 9 minus 7 3 rupees 3.20. So last percent, loss upon CP into 100%. 3.20 upon CP equal to 80 into 100%. 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, डेसिमल कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 320 upon 80%, it will be 4%. So loss is 4%. सिमिलरली अगर यहाँ CP लेस होता और SP अगर ग्रेटर होता तो गेन होता, तो गेन परसेंट भी हम लोग वैसे निकाल लेते हैं. तो ये लास्ट परसेंट और गेन परसेंट आपको निकालने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सम अदर वर्ड प्रॉब्लम हम लोग देखते हैं. इसी तरह आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. 2 भी और 3 भी. फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. And question suppose here is part 3rd. CP equal to rupees 875 and loss equal to 12%. Then SP equal to what? Means find the SP. Then SP equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. 100 minus 12 upon 100 into CP means 875. 88 upon 100 into 875. 25 4 ja and 25 3 ja 75 and 12 25 5 ja and 11 5 ja 55 and 11 3 ja 33 and 5 11 Which dimension? $125. 11 5 is 55 and 11 is 33 and 5 38. 385. But I think here will be 22, sir. Sorry. 22. 25. 5 is 110 and 22. 3 is 66 and 11. 770. This is your answer. Here simplification was done, so it will be 770. In question number 3rd, find the CP. Let its first part. First part. SP equal to rupees 1596 and gain equal to 12%. Then find CP. CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain into SP. 100 and 100 plus 12 equal to 1596. 100 upon 112 equal to 1596. 425 and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 8 ja. Again 4 7 ja 4 3 ja 12. 4 9 ja 36. 4 9 ja 36 and 7 5 ja 35 and 7 7 ja 25 7 ja 175. 17 and 25 5 ja 125. 125 and 17. 142 rupees 1425. You may check multiplication. I think is it correct? 25 7 ja 25, 175 17, 125 and 17. Okay. Now we will solve some other problem. Question number 5. Robin purchased an old car for rupees 73,500 and he spent rupees 10,300 on repairs and paid rupees 2,600 for its insurance. Then he sold it to a mechanic for rupees 84,240. What was his percentage gain or loss? CP आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. CP आपका कार इक्वल टू रुपीज 73,500 and repairing charge and insurance is known as overhead and overhead equal to overheads. हम यदि कोई सामान खरीदते हैं और उसको रिपेयरिंग वगैरह का चार्ज देते हैं या कुछ और कास्ट देते हैं या ले आने का जो खर्च देते हैं उसको हम लोग जनरली ओवरहेड कहते हैं. तो ओवरहेड इक्वल टू रुपीज 10,300 प्लस इंश्योरेंस चार्ज 2,600 and it is equal to 63921 means rupees 12,900. Now net CP equal to rupees 73,500 plus 12,900. 14, 3 to 5, 6, 8. Rupees 86,400. It is the net CP, and he sold it, and his SP equal to rupees 84,240. 84,240. Here SP is less than CP, so there will be loss. Since SP is less than CP, so there will be loss. And loss equal to CP minus SP is equal to 86,400 minus 84,240. 6, 1 and 6 minus 4, rupees 2,160. Therefore loss percent, loss upon CP into 100%. 2,160 upon 86,400 into 100%. 4 to 8, 4 5 to 20, 40, 36, 90. Also 6 6 ja 50. R 5.2% means 2.5%. Loss equal to 2.5%. And I think you may solve other problems like this. And one question more, I will solve one question more. Question number 9. Question number 9. The cost price of 12 candles is equal to the selling price of 15 candles. Find the last percent. Let the CP of a candle be X. Therefore, CP of 12 candles is equal to 12x, and CP of 12 candles is equal to SP of 15 candles. 50 candles, and is equal 12x equal to SP of 15 candles, or SP of a candle equal to 12x upon 15. or 4x upon 5. Now loss equal to Cp minus Sp. Here Cp is greater. Cp of one candle is x and Sp of a candle is 4x upon 5. So x minus 4x upon 5 is equal to x upon 5. Our loss percent equal to loss upon Cp into 100% or x upon 5 into x into 100%. Therefore, loss equal to 20%. This is your answer. And solve other problems. And I will solve some other problem in next video. And if you have any problem in any question, then you can ask me. Thank you.